Welcome back. Today is another Christmas special. Many people would be craving for this special coffee drink, which is none other than peppermint mocha. Did you know that you can make it at home, really cost-effective and very simple ingredients? If you're craving for peppermint mocha, you don't have to break the bank. You can make this at home. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Instant coffee, cocoa powder, optional chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips, use sweetened condensed milk, mint syrup, fresh milk, and finally, also optional is the light cream. So I'm going to use the stovetop here with my saucepan, and let's go ahead and make our delicious peppermint mocha. So grab your saucepan, add your fresh milk. I'm going to use 3 cups of fresh milk here, put it into my hot plate, and then put all of them together. What I'm making here is a total of 4 cups. So I'm sure a lot of people will be able to share this. And to make it more decadent and a rich treat, I'm going to add light cream. It doesn't have to be whipped cream because it would become too rich if you're using whipped cream. So add a touch of creaminess into it by using the light cream. And then your sweetened condensed milk. This is going to make this a delicious treat. Okay, give it a short stir, and we are going to wait for it to warm up before we add all the other dry ingredients. So whilst waiting for your milk to warm up, make sure you get your other ingredients ready. Now my milk is warm, so I'm going to start putting all my dry ingredients, starting with my instant coffee. This is about 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. And now my chocolate powder. Stir. Keep stirring. And now to add your chocolate chips or chopped chocolates slowly. Do not put it all at once. Make sure they get dissolved completely. And now, because I'm getting impatient, I'm going to put all of it into my mixture there. Now this by itself is really mocha, using instant coffee. Okay, so this without mint is mocha. So easy. That's all you have to do. And finally, as you can see, the color of my coffee has changed, and also I think every ingredient is well combined. I'm going to add the final touch, which is the mint, making this peppermint mocha. The easy way. Smells really good. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. I'm going to give it a try first. Let me find my spoon. The idea behind this is not to make it too minty, otherwise it will taste like what, Jay?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste, yeah. You know, everybody loves a mint toothpaste, but not a mint chocolate or coffee. So it should just be a hint, okay? That's what people don't understand, putting a lot of mint in here. Oh my God. That is delicious and so easy to make. Now what I made here is good for 4 cups. So I'm going to split it into 4 clear cups so that you can see how it looks like. I am going to now pour them into each of the cups. I'll try not to make a mess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it looks like I can make it into 5 cups, so I'm just going to split the remaining into the other cups. So it is exactly 4 cups with a little bit of a mess. 4 cups of hot peppermint mocha, no frills. If you'd like some frills, you can add a piece of mint on each of the cups, but for now, I would like it to be a bit more of a treat if I am going to serve this to my kids or my grandkids. I have just become a grandmother. Can you imagine that? Okay, it's top secret. So I'm going to add some toasted marshmallows on top of these. So instead of mint, I'm going to top them up with marshmallows. Perfect treat for the Christmas holidays. Now, if you'd like to make it even more of a treat, let's make s'mores out of this. So toasted marshmallows. There you go. Wow. That looks amazing. Yeah?
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Whoa, the smell smells so good. Wow. Perfect holiday treat. One for me, one for you,
Yes.
or two for you?
Two for me.
Okay, there you go. Hot peppermint mocha at home using instant coffee. Quick and simple. Wow. I can't believe this tastes better than those commercial peppermint mocha. And this is just instant coffee. If you don't believe me, do it yourself. Try it at home and let me know how it goes for you. For now, I would like to wish everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope you're all looking forward to a prosperous New Year and that your 2024 has been a good one. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, ciao. Out.